Well, I'm just showing this because I didn't find no video on YouTube to replace the back window on the Nissan Frontier. Well, you can see no window. They broke my stuff, but they didn't steal nothing. Well, you just lower it down. They're easy. You know, you just take off the door panel first. You know, this, you're gonna have to take off this one for it to fit. Just 3 bolts. Then you just take off this one right here. 1 and 2. Lower it down to this hole. And then you just go from this side in. And it's about to be, you don't need nobody. I did it by myself. It gets kind of tightish in here. It gets tight by itself. And then you just put the 2 ones and it should be working. Oh, one more thing. You also got to remove this from the side where it can go in evenly in the middle. And the rubber. That's it. I forgot to point that out. For it could be down in the middle exactly. It's just held by this. Oh, I found another easier thing. Once you remove this screw right here, just drop it down all the way down to the bottom, and then just slide it in. Slide it with the gasket already inside, and it'll give a perfect up and down. I'll show you that. And this is the ending result. Everything just pops up, just pops out. All of this pops out. This pops out right here, and there's 2 screws behind here. So I forgot to point that out. Everything pops up, and then just do I recommend it. I told you, man, like nothing happened.